Hey everyone, I am Sajeev from the Cosmos DB team. Are you still writing Cosmos DB queries from memory, constantly switching between docs, portal, and your editor? There is a better way now. The Azure Cosmos DB VS Code extension ships with three AI-powered features that fundamentally change how you work with your data. Let me walk you through all these three in 2 minutes. So you know how intelligence works in your code. Same thing, but for queries, now we support that as part of the VS Code extension. I type C dot and it pulls every property from my actual container. Not some generic list, it's my data, my schema, and it works with nested stuffs too. I can type C dot vendor name, it knows the shape of my documents. Functions like array contains get auto-completed. You can try with SQL keywords, the same. Basically, you stop searching Azure Cosmos DB syntax. It's all right there as you type. Okay, but sometimes I don't even want to write SQL queries. I just want to ask a question. See this sparkle icon, click it, type what you need in English. Show me all the electronics products from vendor Keycraft with price over $100. That's it. It spits out the query. Correct where clauses, correct property paths. You can run it. There are my results. Let's try something harder. What's the average price per category? Aggregation with group by, it's all done. And look, if the generated query is 90% right, just tweak it with yourself. You're not locked in, it's a starting point, not a black box. Now this is one of my favorite features. You can open Copilot Chat and type at Cosmos DB. And now you're basically paired programming with someone who knows your database. I can ask a question about my schema, it already knows my structure. No setup, no configuration needed. You need to write a complex query, you can ask for it. It writes and explains what it's doing. And here is the killer. I can ask why my query is slow. It comes back with indexing suggestions, partition key issues, the whole thing. Our natural language to query and chat participants all power your productivity with Azure Cosmos DB. All comes for free with the extension. Go try it out. Seriously, it's a different workflow once you try out. Thank you.